Hey guys, ito tayo ng coffee. Hey guys, nagawa tayo ng coffee Arabic guys. Kasi may bisita kami. Ito to kung paano gumawa ng coffee Arabic. Ito yung tawag nila coffee Arabic. Isa't kalahating cup guys. Ayan. Maglalagay tayo ng coffee mix. Kalahating kutsara. Ayan, kalahating kutsara guys.